Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use SPanel. In order to do so, here we are at SPanel.io, and if you are interested in SPanel, then check the description. We do have a link there. If you click on that, you can get started with SPanel, and it would help us out. We would certainly appreciate that. So with SPanel, you have the all-in-one cloud management platform, the next generation cloud management platform, allowing every website owner to easily manage their server in a secure environment with 24/7, 365 managed support. And if you want to get started, you can click here or click the link in the description, and you can request a demo. So in order to use SPanel and get started, then you are going to need to request a demo. You can see here that we have a nice video that we can click on, and so you could take a look at that for more information. You also can click here to chat with a human, so that's quite nice. And SPanel is the all-in-one hosting platform. You get an admin, user, and email interface. You get S-Shield cybersecurity system. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Custom branding. You get easy SwordPress management, powerful HTTP API, and CLI runs on both VPS and physical servers. It's ideal for developers and hosting companies. Apache, Nginx, Open, Lightspeed, multiple PHP versions, Let's Encrypt SSL integration, Node.js support, managed sub-admins and sub-users, automated migrations from cPanel, hassle-free management. You can do free installation and initial server setup. Of course, you get all day round technical support, optional fully managed service, optional end user live chat support, automatic software updates, manage local and remote backups. The easiest way to manage your site like a pro. SPanel allows you to leverage a powerful, easy to use control panel with the latest and best technologies in-build at no extra cost. All the server optimization tools you need pre-installed and ready to roll at the click of a button. So you can see here, we can explore all of the various features. Scroll down just a little bit more, then you can see getting started with SPanel in 3 easy steps. Get a server, choose a plan. We set up everything for you. We'll install and set up SPanel for you, pre-optimized and ready to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the plan and pricing. So we can see here, let's just scroll down. So we have entry up to 5 accounts for $19.95 a month. Quite reasonable. And we have the Pro version, which is up to 30 accounts, which is $24.95 a month. Also very reasonable. And then we have the Agency, which is up to 100 accounts at $39.95. So quite reasonable in its subscription plans. Very much a open door entry point in getting into SPanel. If you have any questions, you can check out their FAQ here. And again, if you want to get started, you can click on request demo or click on the link in the description. And again, we would certainly appreciate that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.